tragic.
Ooh. Oh, look, let me turn this music down. What's up, friend? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kaye. We're kicking off another video, March Madness style, baby. Girl, I am sitting up at whole ass attention about to borderline go through the dashboard. Anyway, if this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through. Hope that you stay, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, wait a minute. Ooh. I be in my blue jacket. Give his ass his eyeballs back. Gee. We dressed in the car per use on our way out. I was supposed to check in with you guys before we got dressed and all that, but was on the phone trying to figure out what I was gonna wear, trying to get ready, and then all that comes with that. So, needless to say, I'm only 30 minutes behind. That's it. Just 30 minutes. Oh, what they doing over there? Wait. Oh, so that's how the traffic be over there? Okay. Anyway, hey y'all, we're going out on the weekend space. It is 7 o'clock. It is almost 7:30, and it's still sun out. I love this for me. I'm not even tired because I'm feeling grown. I'm feeling grown because I'm still up, and I'm only up because I got the extra hour. Hopefully we be good though. We are headed to the north side, girl. We passport bound, so you know. Shit, I just left the house. I ain't gonna get there till tomorrow. Shit. Child, what y'all been up to? Tell me y'all business, because y'all ain't told me y'all business in a while. I'm a little upset about that. How's everybody doing? The family, the kids, co-workers, job? What's going on? Put it down in the comments. I want to know. Ain't been doing nothing but filming, editing, and posting. Filming, editing, and posting, and you know, work. That's it. That is all. What else I want to say? Probably nothing, child. I just was washing my hair, sitting on the dryer, and just thinking. You ever just have random thoughts? Just thinking about shit that don't matter. Like, why you get the taste for alcohol and Chick-fil-A on a Sunday when both of them closed? At least in Texas it is. At least in Houston, Texas. You know, and then, like, why when you was little, your mama introduced you to her boyfriend as your uncle? Like, you know I know how my uncle's right. I know him out. And him ain't it. Him not my uncle. Oh, is it just me? You know, the things that make you say, I can go on and on. But you know, that's how my mind wanders sometimes. And I just laugh to myself. Wait, are you secure? Like, you was riding behind me like you had made it through the forest and had your whole HPD car or constable car. You security. I slowed down for security. Oh wow. Oh Lord, I think by the time we get to the north side, it's gonna be dark. I ain't gonna really do too much. Yeah, oh, we're going to a party. Just in case y'all was asking, like, oh, these people, where we going? We know we're going to the north side, but where? We're going to a party, child. So, I ain't gonna drink too much because it's like I'm driving out of town and I gotta drive back. Y'all won't sleep in my bed. So, I may partake in one beverage. Girl, these chi-cheeses out, honey. They just had my whole entire throat. Okay, they doing what they supposed to do. Y'all ready, girls? Let's go shut the room down. Probably want to ice these puppies up. Put a little shine on them. Anyway, I didn't stop. Damn, we like 6 minutes in. I ain't really said shit. Anyway, I just really want to come and get the vlog started. I'm probably going to turn on some music because we still got a little ways to go. It rained today, hence why the windows is dirty, just in case somebody would like, we came with those dirty ass windows. That's why. But let's just face it. I don't run to the car wash anyway, even though we got unlimited membership and I could, you know. Somebody else. Anyway, y'all, I'm rambling, so if I think something fun or interesting happens, I'll let you guys know.
That's just how I feel. The last one not to get this dough. Won't wait, top one up, fucking head. Won't wait, hit the streets and we break the code. Won't wait, hit the brakes when they on patrol. Won't wait, be the last one not to get this dough.
Yes. You can't be wasting no outfits. We done made it to the party, y'all. We outside in here talking about how we gonna we ain't how we going somewhere else after that because we look cute.
Where's we? Me. Hey, we cute and stuff. We on our way.
Yeah.
So we can show our face and then go to the next place.
Right, because it's only fair.
It's only fair.
Only fair.
It's only fair. That's what we do. Me and my boo.
So yeah, we're about to go in here, y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Is they eating? What is they doing? Are they talking to the DJ? Okay, y'all, let's go in. Hey y'all, let me give y'all a little light. Hey y'all, we have left the birthday party. I still got my mask and it's going back tomorrow. My mask, not my mask. We have made it to the Cigar Lounge, y'all. It's crowded. So me and BM finna go in here and act the food. Let me refresh. Girl, look, I'm trying to get y'all over the stove light. Y'all just getting it all today. Getting it all tonight. Let me refresh my gloves. Wait. Yeah, let me refresh my gloves. And I'm going to take y'all on the inside. Gotta be with. Yep. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always. I show how to live. What's up, friends? Let me turn this down, music down. Oh my God. I can't believe not last time, but time before the video, 2 videos ago, I had music playing in the background. Child, I had to play some music over there so it didn't get copyrighted. So it slid through the cracks. Praise Jesus. Anyway, y'all, we are on our way home, honey. We is crossing the border, baby. Going back to the south, and I just realized, y'all, I am a south side girl to the bone. Don't you? Even though originally I'm from the north, like of United States, but in Houston, I'm south side to the bottom. I'm south side. Sister south side, baby. I had a good time. Of course, I'm always have a good time with BM. The party was cool. The after party, the Cigar lounge was cool. We've been there. We actually been there before, you guys. I think we went. Yeah, it was last year for sure. That was my first time there this year. So there's that. I seen one of my homeboys and his wife in there, and I'm like, I seen somebody doing me like this, like pointing, but I was like, okay, I'm on the north. Nobody know me out here like that. You know, I mean, I am Kaye Lanhi, but don't nobody know me out here like that that I know of. So, anyway, he came and spoke. I was like, what's up, Key Bay? Like, the only one I know that call me Key. That's about two people call me Key Bay. What's going on? That you driving that damn fast by me at 1-something in the morning. Anyway, y'all, we got a halo light on. And I just want to really just come in and check with y'all and let y'all know how it went. It was cool. As you can tell, I did not have too much to drink. I told y'all I was one and done. Oh yeah, and they gave us a shot because it was a toast for the birthday girl, but child, I put this shit in my drink. Like, who's drinking that straight hot? I don't even know what type of liquor this is. You just pour this in my drink on all this damn ice and make it work. So we did that. I had a cigar. It was good, you know, but I'm smelling like all the nicotines and the tobaccos right now. All the nicotines and the tobaccos. Fun fact though, my favorite cigar, all-time favorite is, I probably told y'all this already, but I don't remember, so I'm gonna tell y'all again. It's Tatiana Ruby Blue. If you haven't had it and haven't had a cigar before, try it and thank me later. If y'all with your boo and he smokes cigars and you want like a little girly one, try it and thank me later. Tatiana Ruby Blue. I know I've told y'all this before, but it's okay. I can tell y'all again because we're friends. And everybody ain't seen the video. Hell, I don't even know which video it is. Speaking of videos, y'all, we at 100. I mean, by the time y'all see this video right here will be 194. I'm like, I literally have posted almost 200 videos. That's crazy. Crazy excited, but crazy. Anyway, y'all, we're about 4 minutes in. I ain't doing too much. I'm just rambling. I was gonna talk to y'all since I got home, but I don't really think I got that much. I ain't really got that much to say, honey. Even though we still got a nice little ride. It's like 1:14. I'm thinking where I am now on the north side. I should be getting home probably about 1:45. I know, crazy. So for the sake of my mama watching this video, I'll probably come in and check with y'all when I get closer to the house. I'm not far from the house, but I'd rather have the light on when I'm on the freeway versus when I'm on the street. It's just kind of weird. I feel like I'm being showcased, like I'm in a fishbowl. Ain't nobody buy me now, but just in general. So we're probably about 15 minutes from the house. Now that we're on these streets, it added a couple of minutes, so it is what it is. Ain't shit I can do about it. Ain't no use to crying about it because it ain't gonna change nothing. I still gotta drive. At least when I get to the freeway now, I'll be close to the house. Anyway, y'all, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all the day after what? Tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Like film in a movie, nigga, gon' let them have it. We ballin' like the March Madness. All these cops shootin' niggas.